Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, rather. I'm recording this in the morning, but it's afternoon for you guys, hopefully. But yes, Mr. Flanders here, and we are looking at the very first page in our brand new workbook, Workbook B. Exciting stuff. I know, guys, I know. All right. So everybody should have this. I gave everybody ample time to get it. If for whatever reason you do not have it, please have your parents make their way to the school soon to pick a copy up. I know I still have a few left in the pickup bin in the front office, so that does make me a little concerned. Some of my friends don't have this yet, so just get that and then watch this video to complete the worksheet, okay? In the meantime, everybody else who does have this, let's go ahead and open up to page number 1, the very first page, okay? I've already torn mine out, so it's easy for us to work on. We're going to be looking at worksheet 49, side 1, okay? 49, side 1, and let's go ahead and get our names written at the top of this paper. This should be a pretty quick paper, guys. I don't anticipate it taking too long, so try to follow along as much as you can. I mean, if you look at page 1 right now, you'll see that this side has very little to do. So I'm excited about that. But all right, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Okay, so we're learning about Carmen the cow. So a bunch of our questions here are going to be about Carmen, her moo, and how she's a cow and what she's done in the story so far. Here we go. Number 1, Carmen had a blank moo. Did she have a lead or a lead moo? Did she have a load moo? A loud moo? Or a little moo? Carmen had a blank moo. Was it lead, load, loud, or little? What I want you to do is circle the correct answer. You do not need to worry about writing in the answer right now. You can do that after we are done. Okay, just circle the correct answer for now. Number 2, Carmen saved the blank who fell into the hole. Did she save a cow, a girl, a teacher, or a boy? Who did Carmen save? Did Carmen save a cow, a girl, a teacher, or a boy? Okay, circle that answer. You can write it in when we are done. Number 3. The little girl blanked the cow. The little girl kicked the cow. The little girl licked the cow. The little girl hit the cow. Or the little girl kissed the cow. What did she do? Okay. Tell me, what did the little girl do? Okay, so tell me what the little girl did. Kicked, licked, hit, or kissed the cow. And then, number 4. Carmen was happy because she had a big, loud blank. Was it a big, loud cow she had? A big, loud moo she had? A big, loud mom she had? Or a big, loud moo? What was Carmen happy she had? Circle the answer, write in the answer in a little bit. You do not need to do it yet. Take a few more seconds. Okay. While you are finishing that up, I'm going to move up our worksheet so we can see the bottom of side 1. And you can see that we have just a really simple sentence. It's three words. It says, "Are you sad?" What I'm going to do is I'm going to read these directions, and I know that the sentences that are down here are brand new. We've only done a couple of them so far, but I do want to clarify something because I've noticed some trends that are happening with these. If the direction tells us to put a line over a word, it does not mean in this sentence right here. It means in the sentence in the rectangle, okay? So for example, number 1 says make a line over the word sad. You wouldn't put a line over this sad. You would look in this sentence right here and make a line over the word sad, whichever word it is. Okay? So yes, number 1 is make a line over the word sad. Let's get that done. Oh, I'm so stuffy this morning, guys. My allergies are flaring up. Number 2, circle the word are. Circle the word are. Okay? We've only got 3 words, so make sure you are circling the correct word. So make a line over the word sad, circle the word are. Take 5 more seconds, and then I'm going to flip the page over. Ready, steady, go. Don't worry, my friends, if you did not get all of the answers, please feel free to pause the video, rewind it, go back, catch the information that you need. What we're going to do now is I'm going to read a small little story right here for you, and then we're going to answer these questions, okay? Now, a couple of these questions are write-in questions. They do not have it where you can circle the choice. So I'll give you a few seconds to think about that, and then if you want to, you can plug in the answer, or you can wait till the end and go back and write in the answer. All right? Let's look at our story. A farmer had a cow that could not moo. His dog said, "I will teach that cow to moo." So he began to teach the cow. Now the cow does not moo. She barks like a dog. Oh my goodness. I'll read it one more time. A farmer had a cow that could not moo. His dog said, "I will teach that cow to moo." So he began to teach the cow. Now the cow does not moo. She barks like a dog. My goodness. All right, question number 1. The cow could not blank. The cow could not blank. Think about what the cow could not do in the story. Okay? The cow could not blank. It's a 3-letter word. It's a really easy word. And you can find it in the very first sentence of the story. Okay? And some of you might be going, "Mr. Flanders, you just gave us the answer." Well, I'm not trying to give you the answer these days. I'm trying to help you get to the answer. There is a difference. All right. That should be more than enough time to write the word down. If you need more time, pause the video, please. Let's go ahead and move on to question 2. Who said, "I will teach that cow to moo"? Who said, "I will teach that cow to moo"? Who said it, guys? I'm going to write the answer right here. I'm going to tell you right now, it wasn't the farmer. So if you start writing farmer down, that is not the answer. If you need to go back, rewind the video, listen to the part of the story where I tell you who said, "I will teach that cow to moo." All right, and number 3. What does the cow do now? And here you're going to be able to circle the answer, and then you can go back later and write the answer in. But what does the cow do now? It moves, barks like a shark, swims like a dog, or barks like a dog. What does the cow do now? It moves, barks like a dog, swims like a dog, or barks like a dog. Take a couple more seconds, circle the correct answer. Like I said, you'll go back in at the end of this and write those answers in, at least for number 3. Number 1 and 2, you should have already written those answers in. But if you need to take more time on them, don't feel rushed. You've got plenty of time. For now, though, let's go ahead and look at the very last part of our worksheet. Very simple stuff, my friends. Very simple stuff. We've got a circle. We've got 3 directions. Let's see what we need to do with this circle and those 3 directions. Numero uno. Make H in the circle. Make H in the circle. All right, what are we doing there? Number 2. Make the word sat under the circle. Okay, make the word sat under the circle. And then number 3, make a 9 next to the word sat. Make a 9 next to the word sat. All right? So we're making an H in the circle. We're making the word sat under the circle. Then we're making a 9 next to the word sat. All right? Take just a second. Get all that stuff done. And then, that'll be a wrap, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen. If there are any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out over Class Dojo. You can also bring these things up to me in the morning when we're doing our morning meeting and going over our reading and our math. That is entirely okay. Otherwise, guys, I'm going to leave you to go write in those answers that are missing, and I will catch up with you all later. Stay safe out there, guys, especially right now with all this rain. Whew, it's cold. Bye, everybody.